like my residual, should've known. I blow like an inner tube, I got hate. On haters is pitiful, get above. For each individual, I got money, so don't.
Right now, we're at why you got scared? Yeah, that's what they gonna do.
They gonna burn my house.
I'm scary. I can't set it up. Look it up for real. They can't hear you.
They can't. Why not?
Speak up.
They heard.
Her forehead on 10 is what she said. Why you scared? Currently, see it so sad. Man, real. That be out of here.
Burn my face.
Hey, look. You take a picture? Yeah. Take that picture. Take that picture. Damn. Alright, watch your head, guys. There you go, guys. Give it back. This is hard. You want to take that? Yeah. Yeah, you want to take that? Alright. Oh yeah, you probably. You gonna take it?
Hell no.
Why not? You crazy. No bit back at ain't a lot. Anytime I come here, I don't finish that.
It's the hat. It's our hat. It's our hat. So they're probably
She missed my kid. I called it.
His mouth from another man.
Bro, why she playing on me? It's a hard. You want that bitch up? Yeah. Every man loves
that. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time.
Good morning, y'all. So today is another day. It is focus. June 16th. 2 days from when we recorded the last clip. We are just chilling.
You gonna add this to that?
Yeah. Make a longer vlog.
You better make some brownies. Let me show you. Why ain't go to the end?
True. They look like deer. So we gonna get back to y'all when we get to the grocery store. Oh, when we get back here.
Grocery store. Maybe. Right. We'll see.
We'll see. But we at Kroger's. The audio wasn't recording for some reason, so but we getting all the good stuff. Move out of the way.
I wanted some cream raspberry.
What?
He just walked out in.
Yo, like this, it's showing my face. It's stinking for itself. What all we need? We got everything?
We done.
So we done. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to her house. Bye. She's stealing. She's stealing. She's stealing.
Hey y'all.
Can't hear you. Hey y'all.
Yes, home.
Hey y'all.
Because every time you say that, they can hear you.
Well, we back it up. We gotta put it in the pan right y'all. And then put it in the stove. Once we put it in the pan, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Need help?
I do.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look. Wait to the camera.
I don't know if it's...
You gotta delay it. Oh my god. Yeah, you get that bad.
How supposed to do these?
I don't know. We gonna show y'all when we get done trying. Y'all know what you doing?
No.
Why not? You gotta cut it with passion. Oh my gosh. That junk is falling apart. Yeah, we should have put it in there.
You don't put no brownie.
With the refrigerator.
No.
Man, we could have make it a little harder so it's easier to cut. Yo, wait till I get a better camera. I'm gonna get a Sony ZV-1 with 11mm.
You want a whole brownie?
Yeah. With the Rode video microphone, the Veal, cause I got one now, but I don't like it. But yeah, how they don't look? Looking scrumptious, delicious. I'm gonna give y'all a live review of what we got. Drunk crunch. Look good though.
Let me get a piece.
I don't think that was done right now. But probably all the moistening.
I think it's supposed to be moist.
My Chinese. But that's it for today, ain't it?
Thanks, sir.
And that was it for today.
Bye. I'm tired. I'm sleepy.
Bye, y'all.
Look, I know the spot.